You know, the COVID-19 pandemic has challenged healthcare in unprecedented ways. Moving monitoring equipment and IV bags outside of a patient room conserves personal protective equipment and reduces the exposure of the clinical staff to the infected patients. Running temporary services like IV lines, extension cords, and monitoring lines under the door is not ideal. It can cause a trip hazard, or equipment could be disconnected. Hospitals discovered that using a product like EasyPath to run those temporary services is a better method. The hospital selected EasyPath because of its self-sealing nature. Unlike other devices, it does not have to be opened and closed. Simply run the temporary service through and it automatically seals. This eliminates the need for clinical staff to worry about maintaining a life safety requirement to limit the transfer of smoke. For fire-rated walls, use the EasyPath fire-rated pathway. For non-fire-rated walls, use the EasyPath Series NEZ smoke and acoustical pathway. Hospitals need to be concerned with controlling airflow and noise transmission. STC ratings are very important, and a pass-through device that gets the IV tubes and low-voltage cords off the floor and out of the corridor doorway and automatically seals is better for the patients and the staff. This is a prime example of healthcare adapting existing technology, in this case EasyPath, to solve another problem presented by this pandemic. Thank you. Stay safe.